Kazakh traditions, many representations, ceremonies, habits, and skills of practical and social activities of Kazakhs. Modern Kazakhstan is undergoing a period of national revival and the revival of national statehood. Previously, there was a conscious eradication and destruction of traditions throughout the entire 20th century. Over the 70-year Soviet period, Kazakhstan fought with remnants of the past. Types of traditions. There are many traditions in Kazakhstan, and many of them are characteristic not for the whole of Kazakhstan, but only for its part. Family relationships. Respect for elders. The principle of Gdiada, 7 ancestors, the institution of family ties. According to family customs, different people raised each son. The eldest son went to raise his grandparents. The youngest son remained with his parents and subsequently pledged to help the whole family. The middle son became a warrior. He studied fencing, archery, etc. Kazakh considered his Nemirite, grandson, only one who was born of a son. The daughter's child was called Jan. Born from Nemira, direct grandson, was called Shpira, great-grandson. Born from Bira, great-grandson, was called great-great-grandson, which means tiny, small. The son of a shopper, great-great-grandson, was usually called Nemin, incomprehensible. The offspring of Nemin, incomprehensible, was called Twazat, born to be a stranger. Bisik Salu, laying a newborn in a cradle. Kirkinan Shigeru, which literally means exit from 40 days of age. Sakesu, the first steps of the child. In the yurt, where the child took his first step, the oldest and most respected person in the AUL was called so that he cut with a knife special ropes that entangled the child's legs. Atka Odorizu, a landing on a horse with the transfer of lashes and spears. Creation of patrimonial cemeteries, burials on which are made by clan, Zuzovi affiliation.